Photon would have had fun with that had it not been broken. That appears to be a large light. It's broken, it doesn't matter now, but that would have been fun. There's the remains of another one. There's the remains of another one. Ooh, a tinned copper ground strap. That's useful. Motorola. CB. God beat up. Breaker 19. Yeah, breaker. Realistic FM wireless microphone system. Okay, they took the batteries out, so that's nice. I wonder if there's more than one. Auto page. Korean made. AP 4000-M, serial number 312551. Wonder if I put a battery in this, if it'd start going off. Oh, I can put a battery in it. It's got a test button. I'll give it to the kid. To heck with buying those crappy little fake cell phone things at the stores. You can have somebody's old nasty pager and beep the button until it drives me frickin' insane. Ooh, fascinating. Got a big 1/4-inch plug mounted on this. Japanese made. So that is probably like stadium PA system. I bet it goes with that because it's designed to plug into a soundboard as opposed to a radio. Okay. I have no idea. Something would mount to it. It could screw to something else, and you could adjust it up and down. So, calibration tool of some sort. If anybody knows what this is, I'd be happy to learn. Oh, big stick, huh? Another capacitor, Mexican made this time. Whirlpool. So it must be a start run capacitor. It has no size listings on it other than 110 volt. Yeah, what? What do you want? You want that stick? Okay. Hey bud, you stink. You're welcome. You got a poopy though. Joys of parenthood. Best form of birth control is in that crib right over there. Nice terminal blocks. Those are always handy. Wall wart. Output. 800 milliamps, 6 volts, DC. That's a nice useful size. I don't understand how it works, but I know what it does. So, I think I know what it does. I think this is a TV. Because it'll let you adjust ohms and 0. Okay, maybe I don't know what it is. Some sort of adjustable test probe. It's been wet. Who makes it? This is battery compartment. Simpson Electric Company, Elgin, Illinois. We have 0 adjust, ohms adjust, off, X1, and then RX 100. That sounds like a space alien of some sort. Wall wart, 120 DC, 500 milliamp. That's a good size. Of course, I have a box of these things and I never do anything with them. Unit in, radio must be 350 milliamp, 9 volt DC. Battery pack. NiCad. Looks like a 12 volt battery pack. My guess would be for a radio. It's corroded, it's been wet. Maybe not for a radio. It doesn't show the kind of abuse I would expect to see from a radio. What? Here, you want this? I don't understand what market treasure means.
Please.
I appreciate the niceness, but I still don't know what you're saying.
Daddy.
This?
Yes.
How about that? Nasty? No, because you put it in your mouth. How about these two?
Thank you.
This?
Yes. Daddy.
Almost done. 250 volts, 10 microfarad.
Oh, look at it.
Another motor capacitor. Boy, I hope for some of this radio stuff, you guys know what the heck I'm looking at. This is what I've got. I've got appears to be a piezo speaker of some sort. I've got that big ominous in the world red button, and it clicks down. And then I've got a momentary little black button. And I've got what I think is high-end coax plug on one end. And somebody has mounted a terminal strip here, which looks bootleg.
Daddy.
So,
Daddy.
yeah, I welcome your input.
What's that? This one, Dad. Oh, what's this one?
Omega wall wart.
What's this one, Daddy?
I see it, bud.
What's this one?
Output
Over
is
here, Daddy.
5 volts. It does not say AC/DC,
Good.
but it puts out 1 amp. That's a tiny wall wart for 1 amp. We're in radio plug. Brand new cigarette lighter power port plug. Brand new wall wart here. 120 volts, 8 volts, 1 amp output. DC. A little baby fan. That's nice. Battery door, outlet cover.
Bye.
Pressure switch. So pressure applied here, it trips that switch. That's cool. A relay, which appears to be full of mold. That's probably not a good sign. The rest of the stuff is really just trash. Some sort of small piezo speaker. Oh, that's cool. Primer knob. I could see that coming in useful. The small pump. Pulls in on one side, pushes out on the other. Fun. Wire clamps. Now we're getting down to the dregs now. Small little fan mixer thing. Electronics 102. Wow, I don't know what it's trying to say. This must be output here. Output is 4 DC and 50 milliamps. That's pathetic. The input is 120 AC, 8 watts. So it takes in 8 watts and pumps out 50 milliamps. Power strip and a non-molded Sigma. So that's it. I'd say the good stuff, and there's a little mold in that one. I'd say the good stuff happened early on, but still, I was so excited that I finally got to have a mystery box video. Are you excited? Okay. Whatever he said. Thanks for watching.